Okay, now we want to go ahead and install the inverter and get it up here onto the cement board. Make it where you can get it started. Okay, there it is. That looks pretty good. We may even put some trim around this cement board. Okay, let's go ahead and get our batteries placed onto our heavy duty stand that we made. Here are the mounts that these batteries come with. This way we can stack them one on top of the other. Okay, we have all 4 of them on now, and this is how the other ones are going to fit to make the batteries stack on top of each other. Okay, let me show you the brackets real quick. After you've lined up these dowels and set one on top of the other here, they have this bracket here that you can put here to secure both of the batteries together. Okay, there it is. We have all the batteries mounted here and the charge controller on the wall. It's time to wire this thing up. Now let me show you these LiTime bus bars. They're kind of unique where they mount. Then we're going to take our little bracket here. Actually mount our bus bar right here on the side of the 2 batteries. So basically your positive will go on here and then it's going to go on to here. But I want to make this really nice and neat looking. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and cut this wire to where it fits right here really tight and really snug. Now they look really nice. I don't like the longer wires. I want this to look as clean as possible by the time it's finished. Okay, so here are the caps that come with the battery that protect the wiring and protect you from getting. All right, we'll go ahead and slap this negative on real quick. Next is going to be to run the wiring up here to the breaker switch and then the breaker switch to the inverter. What I would like to do here is go ahead and get our breaker mounted onto the board. We're just going to put it directly up underneath the positive that runs into the inverter here. I do not believe that this breaker alone is going to be able to extinguish a DC arc. So if there's ever a short circuit of any kind and it becomes catastrophic, we will definitely need a T-class fuse. Alright, so I got this side crimped down and heat shrink, and now we're going to get the measurement here. This up in here. Alright, looks real good. There we go, we got a nice fit now. Alright, let's get the negative fit up in here. Okay, so we got everything hooked up. The positive now is going to the positive side on the bus bar, running all the way up and going into the positive on the inverter. We have the negative coming out of the inverter, coming down, going through and under the batteries here, coming up on the other side here and running to the negative side of the bus bar, and of course both negative wires running to each battery, and likewise both positive running to each battery. So what we're interested in doing now is tightening up every connection and making sure everything is really snug.